how to format your paper in APA style. Hi guys, welcome to more video, and this video I'm going to teach you to make your school papers look good on APA style. That's a simple guide for everyone. Learn how to set up your paper, write clearly and neatly, show where your ideas come from, and etc. So let's get started right away. So why to use the APA style? You have to keep it simple so it make papers look the same. It's easy to read and understand. It's actually easier and helps avoid confusion and shows that you are professional. It's the normal way for school papers. Show that you are serious and help share ideas worldwide. So it focuses on your ideas as well. Readers focus on your main points, shows that you are careful and makes your message clear. So the basic document setup is on paper and margins. So the paper size is 8.5 by 11. The margins are 1 inch on all sides. You're going to have to double space everything, okay? As you can see here on the tip, always double space all of your writing, okay? So the fonts that are acceptable are the Times New Roman, the Calibri, and Arial. So the Calibri and Arial, you can go on the size 11, and for the Times New Roman, that is the most used one, is going on the size 12. Here on the right side, you can see a picture that shows a bit of the options that you have to use. Times New Roman, regular, and 12. Okay, so making an APA title page. So the first thing, you have to go the page number. So put the page number 1 at the top right corner. Okay, then you're going to put the paper title. So write your main title in the middle of the page, as you can see right here. Make it bold and clear. Then you go to your name, your full legal name, okay? Type your full name under the title. Don't add any special titles. And here you can go on more details. Add your school, class, teacher's name, and the date, and put it on its own line. As you can see, degree information, your department or faculty name, university name or school, month of the year of the submission, okay? Each on its own line. The next thing, you're going to put the page numbers and APA papers. For students, only need the page numbers. Put them at the top right. Okay. For the professions, need a short running ahead and page numbers. Running ahead, short titles, all caps on the left, to the page number on the right. So quick tip, let your computer add page numbers. It's easier and prevent mistakes. Here on the Word, you can put the page number on itself. It's very intuitive. It won't give you any problem. So text formatting and paragraphs. How to format. Text start on the left, as you can see right here, and new paragraphs start with a small space. Leave space between lines. The good writing tips is write clearly. Don't use casual talk and get straight to the point. Okay. Heading and subheading structure. Level 1 heading is main topics like chapters, as you can see right here. The big one is centered, big and bold words, as you can see right here. Level 2 heading is smaller topics inside main ones. Left line, big and bold words. Level 3 heading, even smaller topics. Left line, bold and slanted words. Level 4 and 5 headings, very tiny details. Identity, first line, and text start on the same line. Headings helping make your paper easy to read. They show readers what each part is about. So it's very important, this part. You can take a picture and study this part. So the main sections of a paper or of an APA paper is the title page. So first page of a paper, okay, you're going on the title page, shows who wrote and what's about, okay, makes your paper look neat and proper. So the second part, the second section of your APA paper is the abstract summary, Okay, a short summary of your paper. It tells your paper what it's about, helps people quickly see if it's important. And third, main body, the most important part of your paper. It has an intro, how you did it, why you found, and what it means. This is where your big ideas are. Okay, the fourth page is a reference, the sources, is a list of all your books and websites that you use to create the APA paper. Show where your ideas come from and help others to find your sources. Appendices, that is extra stuff, optional extra information like big charts or survey questions, and it doesn't mess up the main paper. Okay, the reference list is basics. Start fresh. Your reference go on a new page, titled reference on the top, space it out, double space everything. The first line start at the edge, others are pushed in, hanging intent. Okay, the ABC order, list the entries alphabetically by author, last name. No author, so use the title first main word. So no periods for links. Don't put a period after website links, dots or URL. Always check that your links works first of all. Any quick reminders, guys. Helpful tools using templates. Check apostyle.org for rules and use special apps. So before you finish, make it neat. Check all of your sources and double check spaces. That website right here is very good. I highly recommend that you go on it and check for the rules. If this video helped you to make your APA paper on the APA style, give your like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubt or any problem, you can comment right here, and then way I can teach you how and try to help you how to do it. Okay, and even if with this video you actually couldn't do it, I'll give you my number on the description or some way to contact me, and that way we can discuss something and perhaps I can try to do it for you. Okay, so see you in the next video, and